Not every smart business move needs a massive budget or a warehouse full of equipment. Some of the most powerful money-making machines are compact, affordable, and just a click away. In this video, we'll count down 30 of the most practical and profitable machines you can buy online right now. Whether you're looking to launch a side hustle, upgrade your shop, or expand your services, these machines can help you do it faster and smarter. Stick with me till number 1, because that's the ultimate game changer you won't want to miss. Links to everything we mention are in the description below. Number 30, Inflatable Cash Cube. If you want to grab attention instantly at events, promotions, or trade shows, this inflatable cash cube is a crowd magnet. People step inside and chase swirling bills, coupons, or vouchers. It's interactive, fun, and unforgettable. At around $250, it's an affordable marketing investment that pays for itself in foot traffic and exposure. Event organizers love how easy it is to set up, and businesses appreciate how it creates social media buzz when participants post their wild moments inside. Number 29, Badge Maker Machine. Small, reliable, and creative, a badge maker lets you produce personalized badges for events, schools, or online shops. Logos, names, and artwork can be turned into wearable promotions in minutes. The kits usually include dies, molds, and starter materials, meaning you can take orders the very same day you get the machine. It's a perfect low-cost business idea with steady demand across industries. Number 28, Soap Making Kit. Handmade soap is more than just a trend. It's a growing market. This starter kit, priced around $60, includes fragrances, colors, and wrapping supplies. With natural soaps in high demand, you can turn this into a profitable, eco-friendly side hustle. The beauty of this kit is the customization. You can experiment with organic oils, herbs, or even exfoliants like oatmeal, making each bar unique. Great for gifting, online sales, or even farmers markets. Number 27, Candle Making Kit. For about $50, you can start creating custom candles in unique shapes and scents. With people spending extra for handmade and personalized gifts, each candle can sell for $10 to $15, adding up to impressive monthly profits. Kits often include molds, wicks, and essential oils, so you can experiment with scents like lavender, vanilla, or even seasonal favorites such as pumpkin spice. Number 26, CRICUT Joy. This electronic cutting machine is compact but powerful. It handles paper, vinyl, leather, and fabric, making it ideal for custom t-shirts, home decor, greeting cards, or labels. Its app integration lets you design and cut right from your phone. A great entry point for anyone exploring DIY crafting or personalization businesses, and it easily fits into a small desk setup. Number 25, Electric Die Cutter. A step up from traditional cutters, this digital machine handles intricate designs for invitations, cards, packaging, or scrapbooking with precision. It works with hundreds of ready-to-use designs but also accepts your custom uploads. It's portable, efficient, and helps crafters turn creativity into a reliable income stream. Number 24, Balloon Stuffing Machine. For around $400, you can create magical stuffed balloons with toys, LED lights, or decorations inside. Weddings, birthdays, and events are endless opportunities for this product, making it a surprisingly lucrative niche. Balloon shops report high demand for customized balloons, especially for gender reveals, anniversaries, or business launches. Number 23, Tufting Gun. Rugs, carpets, and textiles take hours to make by hand, unless you use a tufting gun. With this machine, you can design custom rugs and wall art quickly, opening the door to a booming handmade decor market. With practice, you can produce one-of-a-kind designs in hours instead of weeks, selling them for premium prices online. Number 22, Oil Press Machine. Compact but powerful, this press extracts oils from seeds and nuts efficiently. With consumers increasingly preferring natural oils, this machine can turn healthy living into a profitable business idea. Sunflower, sesame, and flaxseed oils are popular, and once bottled attractively, they fetch strong margins in both local and online markets. Number 21. Snack Coater Attachment. This clever add-on for a KitchenAid mixer lets you coat nuts, fruits, or candies in chocolate or toppings. It's an easy entry into the confectionery space with professional-looking results. The stainless steel build ensures durability, while its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup simple. Number 20. VEVOR Chamber Vacuum Sealer. Restaurants and food businesses love this machine for extending shelf life and locking in freshness. Strong, efficient, and priced around $330, it's a must-have for anyone packaging meats, cheeses, or ready meals. It also helps reduce food waste, which is increasingly important to eco-conscious consumers. Number 19. CRICUT Easy Press 3. Not just an iron, this machine bonds heat transfer designs onto clothing with precision. Paired with the CRICUT app, it makes customizing apparel simple, durable, and profitable. With temperatures up to 205 degrees Celsius, it handles thick fabrics easily and produces results that survive repeated washing. Number 18. Sublimation Printer. Print vivid, lasting designs on mugs, shirts, and phone cases. This machine is the backbone of many personalized gift businesses. While ink can be costly, the results are professional grade and sell fast. Many Etsy sellers rely on sublimation printers as their main production tool. Number 17. Automatic Can Sealer. For beverage businesses, this machine seals sodas, juices, or energy drinks securely. It prevents leaks, keeps drinks fresh, and allows production at scale. Some models can seal hundreds of cans per hour, making them essential for startups in the beverage industry. Number 16. Cup Sealing Machine. Bubble tea shops and cafes swear by this tool. With the ability to seal up to 600 cups per hour, it keeps orders moving quickly and customers happy. An absolute must for drink-focused businesses. The machine also minimizes spills and improves hygiene, which customers love. Number 15. 3D Printer. Prototypes, figurines, jewelry, or custom parts. The possibilities are endless. 3D printing is revolutionizing industries, and with affordable desktop models, small businesses can create unique products with high margins. Some businesses even offer 3D printed cosplay props, custom tools, and medical models. Number 14. VEVOR Vinyl Cutter. Signage, apparel, decals, all within reach with this vinyl cutter. It connects via Bluetooth for easy transfers, cuts precisely, and works across multiple materials, giving businesses creative flexibility. A large cutting area makes it efficient even for bulk orders. Number 13. Digital Embossing Machine. Add branding, logos, or personalized touches to leather, paper, or stationery with a sleek digital embossing machine. It's compact, consistent, and makes custom products look premium. Ideal for crafters selling journals, wallets, or custom packaging. Number 12. Concrete and Cement Molds. From plant pots to furniture, unique designs cast in concrete sell well online and at local fairs. With molds available in countless shapes, this is a creative and surprisingly profitable DIY venture. Epoxy versions allow you to add color and finish for even higher margins. Number 11. PICOBREW ZYMATIC. Turn your garage into a microbrewery with this system. At about $2,000, it simplifies the brewing process, offering access to countless recipes and the ability to produce high-quality beer without bulky equipment. It's beginner-friendly but still advanced enough to impress craft beer enthusiasts. Number 10. FOXALIEN MASUTER Pro CNC Router. Precision cutting for wood, metal, and plastic makes this CNC router a powerhouse for both hobbyists and small manufacturers. Durable, accurate, and expandable, it's a professional tool at a fair price, great for engraving custom signs, furniture pieces, or even jewelry molds. Number 9. 3D Wall Printing Machine. Imagine printing murals directly onto walls. This machine can turn blank spaces into works of art, whether for homes, businesses, or events. A high-value service with massive visual impact. Event planners especially value the ability to create temporary, stunning backdrops. Number 8. XTOOL F1 Laser Engraver. This machine combines fiber and diode laser technology, engraving on everything from stainless steel to cookies. Compact yet industrial grade, it's one of the most versatile engraving tools available. The built-in smart camera also helps align projects perfectly. Number 7. Automatic Coffee Roaster. The coffee market is booming. This machine offers multiple roasting profiles, allowing you to create unique blends and flavors. While small-scale, it's perfect for launching a specialty coffee brand. Many micro-roasters start here before upgrading to larger commercial models. Number 6. Glass Lens Edge Polisher. Eyewear businesses rely on this for shaping and finishing lenses with precision. Automated, fast, and clean, it's an essential machine if you're exploring optical or custom eyewear ventures. Its ability to reduce waste while producing perfect lenses makes it a long-term investment. Number 5. Dynamic Lightbox Displays. For advertising or decor, lightboxes make images pop with stunning illumination. They're portable, stylish, and customizable, making them a top pick for cafes, retail spaces, and event designers. With LED technology, they're energy efficient and long-lasting too. Number 4. Large Vending Machine. Snacks and drinks in one sleek unit. With cashless payments and efficient cooling, a combo vending machine can generate passive income in schools, gyms, and office spaces. Newer models even include remote monitoring apps so you can track stock and sales from your phone. Number 3. Laser Cleaning Machine. Rust, paint, and dirt disappear instantly with this eco-friendly cleaning tool. Fast, portable, and chemical-free, it's a revolutionary machine for automotive, construction, and industrial businesses. It reduces reliance on harsh chemicals and is more precise than sandblasting. Number 2. Balloon and Event Business Starter Tools. Combining several of these smaller machines creates a full event and custom product service. With demand for personalized decor skyrocketing, this setup can turn into a serious income stream. Customers want Instagram-worthy designs, and these tools deliver exactly that. Number 1. WANTJOIN Cup Sealing Machine, High-Capacity Model. Taking the top spot is the professional cup sealing machine that can handle massive volumes with unmatched speed and precision. For bubble tea, juice, or cafes with high traffic, this is the machine that transforms small shops into booming businesses. It's durable, efficient, and pays back its cost quickly when demand is high. Models with digital counters and customizable seal sizes make them even more versatile for large-scale operations. And that's our list. 30 of the smartest machines that can kickstart, grow, or upgrade your business. Some are small and crafty, others are industrial and powerful, but all of them can help you make money and stand out. If you found a machine that fits your hustle, check out the links in the description to learn more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest business tools and ideas. Thanks for watching. And here's to turning your ideas into income.